So here we have our ELA-100. This is our Ethernet Lightning Surge Arrestor. This particular model is from Planet. Actually can handle 20K of Lightning Surge Protection and has 2 Ethernet ports either side, cable of 10100 or 1 gig. There's also a ground pin which allows you to ground that to earth. So if we just open this up, you'll get a manual. This manual basically shows you how to connect it, specifications of this particular model. Comes in an anti-static plastic bag. So if we just open this up, you'll see that's the ELA-100. You've got here, this side's where it's actually protected and that's your earth point, and the other side it's unprotected. So what else do we get? We also get a bit of double-sided tape so you can stick the arrestor wherever you want to stick that, and you also get a earth cable to connect to an earth point. So that's the ELA-100 from Planet.